Welcome back, guys. I don't know it's your girl Jamaican Shan again. And you don't know, say, guys, it is home around here. Star Melissa, look out at the tree, them guys. Anyway, we are going to follow that we are going to our road and go see. Why pray on the road? We're going to look some stuff down and shop to also. Yeah. Come with me on the journey. It's going. Guys, let me get a plum here. The mere drop off away with plum tree where we have some beautiful plums. Yeah. Me dey on my journey. I walk go a road, guys. Road to going. Side. Yeah. Hope everyone is staying safe and sound. So you have your food and water and guys, medical stuff. So if you're sick or ill, have them when you stay inside, okay guys? Because safety we are dealing with. Alright. Okay guys. So what's up? Drop off a tree in the road, you know guys. What's up tree and then drop off. So what's up this? Go straight down in a one drain down here. Go down in a that gully there. Guys, banana root out the ground, you know, guys. Drop down my road. So, guys, I want to put up some more. I guess they're weak in the ground, so yeah. after effect, you know, guys. Yeah. After effect. Yes, guys, now what you know? But we have a beautiful. There's